Hello again, ni hao. This is lǎoshī and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa YouTube channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko about Chinese language. For today's video, I will going to teach you about Chinese tones. Here are the list of the Chinese tones. First tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. Let's start from the first tone. But first, we are going to use the letter A. In Chinese, A. First tone, or 第一声 A. High pitch. A sounds like Mama, Mama, Mama. 第二声 second tone, A sounds like Cha, Cha. 第三声 third tone, A sounds like Nai Nai, the mother of your papa. Nai Nai. 第四声 A. The facial expression is parang angry. A sounds like Papa, Papa. 第一声 A. Mama, Mama. 第二声 A. Cha, Cha. 第三声 A. Nai Nai, Nai Nai. 第四声 A. Papa, Papa. So, that's all for today. I hope you learned new lesson from lǎoshī, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And see you on my next vlog. 再见!